Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about is extensible in the object constructor. So, what this method does is it determines that if an object is extensible or not. That means is that we can add new properties to it or not. So, now what we're gonna do is create const um I'm gonna name it object1 and make it as an empty object. After that, what we're gonna do is um, log it on a console and object dot is extensible. Use that method and pass the object. When we do that, I'm gonna say true because yeah, we can add properties to it by using the dot notation like that. So yeah, this is what we can do like that. And there's another way. Um, uh, so there's another method to object called uh, prevent prevent extension. So and after that we need to specify that object by passing. So what this method does is after when you use that, it's not gonna take any properties after that. So if we do after that, cut and paste, it's gonna say false because it doesn't have the ability to take another properties. So hope you guys understand, and that's it for today's video, and as usual, see you guys in the next tutorial.